All right, so you had a bit of a rough time on this Indian independence activity. Hopefully, this video will help clarify some areas so that when you redo it, you're able to get everything correct and have a better understanding of what was going on in both India for its story of independence, but also these concepts of great man history and people's history. So, question one here is asking about you to make a prediction of what you think great man history is. So thinking about something in American history, would a historian who studies great man history, do you think they would study George Washington or the everyday soldiers that fought in the Revolutionary Army under his command? All right. Uh, so question two here, by contrast, is on people's history. So again, a historian who's studying people's history, when they're looking at the American Revolution, do you think they would look at George Washington or the soldiers under his command? That is another way to look at these two questions. All right, on to question three here. All right. Uh, In paragraph five, what do you think the phrase "even Gandhi agreed to a mass" that means in terms of great man history versus people's history? Who is leading who? So another way to phrase that question when you read paragraph five is Gandhi acting first or are the people acting first in regards to this phrase, agreed to mass action? All right. Who's leading who there? All right. In question four, how did the imperial authorities, aka the British, attempt to divide the people of India? Give you a clue, they're going to use religion in some way to divide them. All right. In question five, it seems that most people were able to get the first part, describe what happened in the British Navy. The second part, though, is how did Congress, meaning the Indian National Congress, who are led by men like Nehru and Gandhi, how did they react to what was happening in the British Navy? All right. What did they think about it? Might be another way to go about. All right. Question six. You had to watch two video clips that illustrate why we need to understand great man history. So a clue with this first video clip is, do we get any benefits as individuals looking at lessons learned or insights by these individuals who be quote unquote great man history? And in the second video clip here, the one entitled Funeral, I mean, look at how many people come to Gandhi's funeral, and does that show us why there's a need to understand uh, these important individuals throughout history? All right, on to question seven. Skim over the article. University of Ghana removes Gandhi statue after faculty outcry. What problem does the article present for understanding great man history? So another way to think of it is, when we look at great man history, there is this issue of hero worship. Like, if we look at these individuals who've made amazing accomplishments, got themselves into these world history textbooks, and if we look at them solely as heroes, have done only good, do we not understand them as people? All right, so hopefully this video has helped you to answer whichever questions you need to complete. But as always, if there's anything you're still not clear about, please email.